Hello students, in last lecture we have studied about the average atomic masses of element, that is of isotopes. Average atomic masses of isotopes, in which in last lecture we have learned about how calculate the average atomic mass of the isotopes like carbon and neon. Again here I repeat the formula for average atomic masses, that is average atomic mass of element is equal to mass of element into their percentage upon 100. Again plus, for example, average atomic mass of carbon is equal to molar mass of carbon into their percentage upon 100 plus, here carbon 12 is the one isotope, then mass of carbon 13 means isotope of carbon into their percentage upon 100, again plus mass of carbon 14 into their percentage upon 100. On simplification, this formula again convert into mass of carbon 12 into their percentage plus mass of carbon 13 into their percentage plus mass of carbon 14 into their percentage and divided by 100. This is the formula for to calculate the average atomic mass of isotopes. Then the next point of the chapter is molecular mass. Molecular mass is an characterized point here. Molecular mass of substance is the mass of one molecule of that substance relative to the molar mass of carbon 12. That is, carbon 12 is as a standard element and their mass is 12. For determining the molecular masses of other element, here we considered as a standard atomic mass for carbon, means standard element carbon 12. That is, molecular mass of substance is the mass of one molecule of that carbon is relative to the mass of carbon 12. Means every element having characterized point molecular mass, and molecular mass is compared with the carbon 12 mass. Carbon 12 having mass, molar mass is 12 gram. For example, molecular mass of carbon dioxide. For example, molecular mass of carbon dioxide. How to calculate the molecular mass of carbon dioxide? Here, in formula of carbon dioxide, one carbon atom means 1 into carbon having atomic mass 12 gram or 12 unit plus, again here oxygen 2 means 2 into 1 oxygen having molecular mass or atomic mass is 16, means molecular masses of element or compound is the summation of molecular masses of elements present in the compound. In CO2, 1 carbon, 2 oxygen, therefore 1 into 12, because of carbon shows molar mass is 12 and oxygen shows 16. Here 2 oxygen means 2 into 16, that is 12 plus 2 into 16 means 32. Therefore 2 2 4 3 1 4. 4 gram per mole. Means per mole 44 gram is the molecular mass of the carbon dioxide. Means it is obtained by multiplying average atomic masses of each element by number of its atom and adding them together. Simply the atomic masses and their addition, summation is the molecular mass. Again one example, H2O. H2O, here summation of atomic masses of these elements, hydrogen and oxygen. Here hydrogen 2 means 2 into 1 hydrogen shows 1 mass, 1 molar mass means 1 plus summation oxygen. Oxygen shows 16 unit or gram. Therefore 2 plus 16 is equal to 18 gram per mole, or here 18 unit. 18 unit is the molecular mass of H2O. Here we are going to solve the numerical on the basis of molecular masses problem. First, find the mass of one molecule of oxygen. Find the molecular mass of O2 molecule, oxygen molecule in AMU and in atomic mass unit and in gram. Means here calculation or determination for molecular mass of O2 molecule in atomic mass unit and in gram. Here first of all we calculate the values of molecular mass in AMU. That is, here molecule of O2. O2 contains 2 atoms of oxygen and 1 atom of oxygen shows 16. That is 2 into 16. Means 1 oxygen shows 16 gram per mole molecular mass. Therefore 2 into 16 means 32 unit or 32 grams is the molecular mass of O2 molecule. Then we calculate the value in gram. Second calculation for in gram. 32 unit shift to the gram. For this, mass of one molecule of O2 is equal to, therefore mass of one molecule of O2 is equal to 32 into 1 atomic unit. Means when unit get converted into gram, then molar mass multiplied by 1 atomic mass unit. That is 32 into 1 unit or 1 atomic mass unit. Therefore 32 into 1 unit having value 6.66056 into 10 raised to minus 24 gram. 1 atomic unit or 1 unit having value 1.66056 into 10 raised to minus 24 gram. That is, unit get converted into gram. For conversion of unit into gram, the values of unit multiplied by 1 unit means this value. We get here answer is 53. Multiplication of 32 into 1.66056, 10 raised to 24 written as it is 10 raised to minus 24, and answer of 32.166056 is 53.1379. This calculation can be solved by logarithm, by log table. Log of 32 multiplication means plus log of 32 plus log of 1.66056. Therefore, we get the answer 53.1379 into 10 raised to minus 24. This is the numerical about the molecular mass. Then next point is formula mass. Formula mass. Formula mass means summation of molecular masses of elements present in the formula. For example, H2O, water shows H2O formula. H2O contains 2 hydrogen, 1 oxygen. Therefore, the formula mass is the addition of masses of elements present in the formula. That is H2, 2 hydrogen. 2 hydrogen means 2 into 1 hydrogen shows 1 means 2 into 1 plus summation oxygen shows 16, therefore 2 plus 16 is equal to 18 is the formula mass. Formula mass means summation of molecular masses of respective elements from formula, called as formula mass. The substance is the sum of atomic masses of atoms present in the formula. Summation of masses of element present in the formula, called as formula mass. The next problem on the basis of formula mass, that is find the formula mass problem second. Find the formula mass of NaCl first. Second, Cu NO3 twice. Find the formula mass of NaCl and Cu NO3 twice. First of all, we are solve here NaCl. Formula mass of NaCl. The basic concepts here to learn about the molecular masses of elements in the periodic table. That is hydrogen, carbon, nitrogen, oxygen. For example, sodium shows atomic mass 23. Chlorine shows 35.5. Means the atomic masses of elements from periodic table. It is necessary to solve the formula masses or molecular masses of elements. To remember the masses, molar masses of the respective elements. Sodium shows 23 mass plus Cl, 1Cl shows atomic mass is 35.5. Then addition of these two, we get the answer 58.5 unit. That is the formula mass of NaCl is 58.5. Again, second example, Cu NO3 twice. NO3 is 2 times. First of all, we calculate the formula mass of this. Copper shows mass is 63.5. Copper 63.5 here plus summation of this 2 times NO3 means nitrogen NO2 multiplied by 2 because of 2 times. Nitrogen shows mass 14 plus oxygen 3 oxygens. 3 oxygen, 1 oxygen shows 16 means 3 8 and 2 means multiplied by 2. It is very simple to calculate how many, or another one simple method, copper 1, again nitrogen 2 times, nitrogen plus nitrogen, oxygen 3 times, plus oxygen, 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 copper, nitrogen 2 times, nitrogen plus nitrogen, and 3 into 2 means oxygen 6 times. Oxygen is 6 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Then 63.5, nitrogen shows 14 plus 14 plus oxygen 16 plus 16 plus 16, 16, 16 and 16. 6 times oxygen. 3 into 2. And addition of these all masses. That is, masses of elements add together to form the formula mass. By this calculation, we get the answer 187.5 unit. That is 187.5 unit. This is the formula mass of copper nitrate, CuNO3 twice. Then the next concept is mole concept and molar mass. Mole concept and molar mass. Mole concept and molar mass. Mole means 1 mole is the amount of substance that contains many particles as their atoms, exactly 12 gram of carbon, 12 isotope. Means standard element is carbon, 12 means atomic mass of carbon is 12. Carbon 12 means the number of particles present in the carbon 12 gram of carbon 12 atom. Number of particles present in 12 gram of carbon. The carbon 12 means this is isotope. Just carbon 12 मध्ये 12 ग्रॅम कार्बन 12 मध्ये किती नंबर ऑफ पार्टिकल्स प्रेझेंट असतील त्याला म्हणणार आपण 1 मोल. फॉर एक्झाम्पल, हियर mass of 1 carbon atom is 12 gram. Mass of 1 carbon atom, mass of 1 carbon atom is equal to 12 gram. Mass of 1 carbon atom is equal to 12 gram, and mass of 1 carbon 12 atom determined by the spectrometer. Mass of 1 carbon atom determined by mass spectrometer. Determined by, this is determined by spectrometer. And mass of 1 mole of carbon atom means atomic mass. Atomic mass of carbon is 12 gram, and mass of 1 carbon atom in spectrometer, this is the molar mass or atomic mass. Atomic mass of carbon 12, and mass of 1 atom means weight of carbon, 1 carbon. These two are different quantities. That is, molar mass means 1 carbon shows 12 gram molar mass, and weight of 1 carbon atom is the quantity here 1.99268 into 10 raised to minus 23 into 10 raised to minus 23 gram per atom. means spectrometer shows weight of carbon is 1.99264 into 10 raised to 23 gram, and molar mass or atomic mass of the carbon atom is 12 gram. By this calculation here, we solve the values of number of atoms present in the 1 mole of particle. Therefore, the number of atoms from this data, the number of atoms in 12 gram of carbon, 12 gram of carbon is equal to molar mass upon weight, means mass. Here 12 gram upon weight 1.99264 into 10 raised to minus 23 gram per atom. Gram per atom. Mass, molar mass, atomic mass upon mass, that is 12 upon this quantity, gives the calculation about number of atoms in 12 gram. 23 minus 23 gets shift to plus 23, means 23 minus 23 shift as a positive, that is 10 raised to 23. By this calculation, to solve this calculation, we get the answer is 6.02213 into 10 raised to gram get cancel, per atom shift to this side atom. Atoms means atom inverse shift to above side get convert into atoms. Means 1 mole of carbon shows 12 gram mass, and 12 gram of mass contains 6.02213 into 10 raised to 23 atoms, and this number is called as Avogadro's number. From this data, it is clear that every 1 mole of compound contains fixed number of atoms. For example, 1 mole of carbon, the number of carbon atom in 12 gram means 1 mole. 1 mole of carbon shows Avogadro's numbers atom, and 1 mole of oxygen also shows. 1 mole of oxygen also shows number of atoms, same 6.02213 into 10 raised to 23 atoms. Means it is clear that every element of 1 mole contains same number of atoms. Means 1 mole of carbon, 1 mole of oxygen, 1 mole of water, sodium chloride, everyone 1 mole of compound shows number of atoms are similar, same, that is Avogadro's number. This number is called as Avogadro's number, and remember these values of Avogadro's number. Avogadro's number is important to solve the numericals on the basis of moles and molecules. Avogadro's number is 6.022 into 10 raised to 23 atoms is the Avogadro's number. Every 1 mole compound or element shows fixed number of atoms. If 1 mole of oxygen contains this number of atoms. Then molar mass, the mass of 1 mole of substance in gram is called as molar mass. Second is molar mass. Molar mass means the mass of 1 mole of substance. the number of atoms in 1 mole atom is Avogadro's number, and here molar mass is the mass of substance in 1 mole of substance in gram is called as molar mass of 1 mole of substance, mass of 1 mole of substance in 1 gram. In gram is called as mass of 1 mole of substance in gram is called as molar mass. म्हणजेच प्रत्येक सबस्टन्सचा मास जे आहे ते 1 मोल साठी ग्रॅम मध्ये काउंट करणार, त्याला आपण म्हणू शकतो आपण मोलर मास. फॉर एक्झाम्पल कार्बन 12 shows molar mass is 12 gram per mole, means 1 mole of substance having mass in gram called as molar mass. For example, hydrogen shows 1 gram per mole mass. Carbon shows 12 gram per mole. Oxygen shows 16 gram per mole. Means these are the molar masses of units. Means oxygen shows 16 unit atomic mass, and molar mass means 16 gram per mole. Again here hydrogen shows atomic mass is 1 unit, means 1 gram per mole. Again carbon shows 12 unit atomic mass, and molar mass in gram per mole, means 12 gram per mole. 16 gram per mole, 1 unit 1 gram per mole, 12 unit 12 gram per mole. These are about the molar masses. Also NaCl shows molar mass. Sodium shows 23 plus, Cl 35.5. Addition of their molar masses. Sodium shows molar mass, atomic mass 23 plus 35.5, means atomic and molar mass as the same. It get the value of 58.5 unit is the atomic mass of NaCl in unit, and atomic mass in unit in 58.5 gram per mole, means molar mass is measured about in terms of gram per mole, means 1 mole contains how many grams of substance, called as molar mass. म्हणजे एका मोल मध्ये दिलेल्या कंपाऊंडचं वेट किती असणार, मास किती असणार, त्याला आपण म्हणू शकतो मोलर मास.